It's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you. Nobody make me stop the world. Feel my touch.
Hi there. Welcome to my Aura Style. My name is Tammie, and I use fashion, travel, and lifestyle to talk about what it's like to be Black plus and abroad. So this week I'm coming back to you with a grocery haul, and also on my Instagram, which is at my_aura, AURA_style. I'll be doing a cook with me or a cooking tutorial to show you how I use all these ingredients. All right, so let's get started. So the first ingredient that I picked up is this ground turkey. It is organic ground turkey. So organic ground turkey, of course, is not supposed to have the additives that regular ground turkey may or may not have. So I got 2 rolls of those, and each roll is 1 pound. I got this Daya brand cheddar style shreds, and so it's not an actual dairy-based product. It's a plant-based product. I also used the mozzarella style shreds as well, and I thought that it would be really good in the dish that I'm making this week. These by themselves are not as appetizing, but when you put them in things, that's when they, to me, taste better. I also picked up an organic red onion, and bell pepper. You know that in any Black kitchen, like these 2 items are staple. Sometimes they have them already chopped up in my produce section, but today, unfortunately, they didn't, so I had to just get it and do it myself. But it is so worth it. Like, a fresh onion and fresh bell pepper will be the base of a lot of dishes that I make. It just elevates the flavor. In the recipe that I am making, I'm also going to need some corn. The recipe that I'm making is like a Tex-Mex recipe, so I wanted to get this Mexicorn. It has spices such as red and green bell peppers, which just kind of elevate that Tex-Mex element that I'm using for my dish. So I got these. Now, unfortunately, they don't sell the full-size cans of these, so I got 2. And I'll start with 1, and if I feel like I need to, I'll have 1 on hand. But I always use this. I always keep this stocked in my pantry, so this is like my favorite for my little Tex-Mex dishes. I'm also going to be using these reduced sodium black beans as well. And the recipe calls for some tomato sauce. So some of these items might give away what I'm making, but still, just tune in to my Instagram feed to see if you guess right about what I'm making. Based on the ingredients that you've already seen in this grocery haul, what do you think that I'll be making? Put it below in the comments. I can't wait to see like what y'all's guesses are. Next thing that I got was these seasoning packets. I got the original ranch packet. Sometimes I get the Chipotle ranch, but unfortunately they don't export that over here. So I just got the regular ranch seasoning. It definitely works fine. And then I got 2 kinds of taco seasoning. I also got the spicy one. So the dish that I'm making, I love to add a little extra spice. I like spicy food, so yes. This I had in my pantry, and I think I used it in another recipe, so I thought that I would just add it to this one. This is salsa verde that comes in the can. It is the mild version, and then I have some Rotel as well. This is also the original mild version. So I feel like these two are going to be splendid. I picked these up at my local convenience store. They're also sold in German grocery stores as well. Y'all, these chips slap so hard. They taste so good. They have the pepper kind, and they also they have the cheese kind as well. So it's kind of a German version of Doritos. They do sell Doritos over here, but I wanted to try these. I was curious, and listen, I haven't been able to stop eating them. I got one bag, and so I'm gonna eat them with the dish that I'm making. This is kind of random, but I bought a banana. I will be making banana pancakes. And so I got me a banana because I needed one. All right, so that concludes my grocery haul. I want to thank everyone that has been subscribing to the channel, that has been viewing my videos and leaving me comments. It does my heart so good. Again, don't forget to check out my Instagram with the cook with me version of this grocery haul. All right, bye you all.